Right, good morning folks. I know I've been missing in action and I know you've missed me. I have been extremely busy. I've had some commissioned work to do and so I've managed to get all of that done and sorted and I can get back to me and you lot. So first of all, I'm going to share with you the goodies that have come in this week. This is the trim. It's pearlised. We have this trim in a multicolour. And I think there's only about 3 metres, 3 yards left, something like that. But we've got it with this and the pearl now. And unfortunately, I didn't order a lot of it. So you will find that in the shop shortly. I managed to get these, which I've been looking for ages. These are the large flatback pearls. So that you can do, you know, well, I'll show you. If you take some diamante bling, let's have a look. Let's see what we've got here. Oh God, never get hold of it when you want it. Right, come on, Fee. If you take some of that and you can wrap it round, see, and make your own bling. So we've got these in and they're sold in sets of 6 because they're large. And with the amount I got, I know I've got enough to cover my regulars anyway. But it's first come, first serve with everything I sell anyway. So you get 6 large ones of those. And they're the 20mm. And then these are a set of 5. So cream, white, lavender, pink, and like a gold brown butterfly. And it'll come in as a set of 5. So you're getting those as well. We've quite a few of those in. But I do like the trim in that. I think that's gorgeous trim. And like I say, do look for the other one. When you're going on the shop, remember to type in braid to look for things like that, because it's not called lace, it's braid. So we've got that. What's the other thing? I'm just thinking. Now, I have put up lots and lots and lots of crystal bags. I mean, you're getting tons and tons for your money. So these are just some I've sorted out for myself. But out of that bead haul that I did, I mean, there was hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of beads, crystals and whatnot. So what I've done is, you're not just getting 10 in a bag or 30 in a bag or 25 in a bag. You're getting a bag full of everything, because there was tons in there and I managed to split it all up and make you decent sized bags so that you get a good deal. Now, if you miss those bags, don't come crying to me. At the end of the day, I'm doing the best deals possible and nobody will sell you. Like if you've 200 crystals in a bag, nobody else is going to sell you 200 for the price I'm selling. They're just going to give you 25, 30, maybe 50 if you're lucky. Same with the pearls. I mean, the bags of pearls are big bags of mixed pearls, you know, and you've got all kinds of colours in them. These are just some of the purple ones that I kept out. You get loads in a bag, and I didn't count any of them. I just, big handful, put them in a bag, and if I didn't think there was enough in there, I put another handful in. So you will not get them for the price, for the quantity, anywhere, like what you get here with me. But you know, you want to miss out, you'll miss out. I can only promote what I do. I can't do anything else. Now, what I'm going to be doing is, I'm just going to put my glue gun on because I actually forgot to do it before. I wasn't going to do a tutorial today. I was going to start doing them tomorrow because I have been really, really busy. But I thought, you know what? We need to do it. And some of the bags of stuff, I mean, I keep everything, as you know. I don't waste anything, and I've just got to find places to put all of this that I've kept hold of. Oh, don't forget, we've got those going on the shop as well. I put those up in bags of 20. Now, did I do 24 or 25? The cogs, they are the top quality cogs, so you're not getting cheap crap. And I've these to go up and some lettered ones as well. Don't forget, we do sell the good quality leaf trim. So we have that in. And, oh, that's what I was going to do. Was I going to do that? Yeah, where did my box go? Don't know what I've done with my box. Right, I have got, I've got bloody loads. I have to sort through it all. I have got here a jar with oddments in. And you know we do the more than an inch kit. So I'm going to have to sort this out and do the same with this jar. See if I can get this jar out. It is chocker. And these are all the offcuts when I'm working. Normally I just open the jar lid and sort it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to put these into the more than an inch kits, because look, I've all of that, plus I've got a big bag, tub should I say, behind my unit here, just by the table. That's chocker, and I'll never use it all. So there's all, as you can see, there's lots of different lace trims. So I'm going to put these in, oh look, even some of that, put these into grab bags. And I'll get them up in a few minutes. And you'll just have to grab the bags, because there's nothing wrong with them. We do sell that trim. We sell all of these trims. The Nottingham. I think this is the last of what we've got in that. That's the last of that. You know, I mean, the more than an inch, that's why we call them more than an inch kit. And I'll get as many kits out as I can with what I've got here and what I've got in the other tub. So, just to warn you, the kits are coming out. We've got lots and lots of goodies for you to go and get from the shop. And grab what you can while you can. People keep saying, I thought you said you were putting this up. Did you put that up? I can't find it, because it goes extremely quickly. So you have to grab it while you can. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.